Yeah, hello. Today I'm doing this quick sound test of this keyboard that I have. Yes, I have. Okay. Blah blah blah. So, of course, preface to say, sound tests provide very little value or information. Um, as you can see, there's really nothing except you get an idea of how stuff sounds, but it's really hard, of course, because people have different microphones and your headphones matter of how they replicate sound, and like of course it's going to be different to your ears, and the keyboard itself, the caps, the profile, the how hard I'm hitting the keys, the thickness of the keycaps, the switches itself, how much lube I put on the switches, whatever mods I would have done on the keyboard, of course, the desk the keyboard is on, stuff like that, of course. So it's really there's practically no use. However, I will offer, because I'm this keyboard is being given. I don't know. I'm sending this keyboard soon, so I have to do a sound test just to, of course it'll remind me. I like to do stuff before I put them away, just to document them for my own sake. Thus here I am on just plain nothing on nothing. Blah blah blah. bakeneko65 zinc weight 50A, the pink one, the pink O-ring. We got KTT peaches lubed, and then we got some keycap clones of GMK power cord from Die Fetish Sub, like Die Sub Fetish store on AliExpress. And yeah, here you go. As you can see, it's the spacebar is really loud. One thing maybe I would like I tend to have really spacebars tend to be pretty loud on my builds, and but so I try to do stab pads on my spacebars. I tend to be, but really I don't have anything on here. This is no foams, no nothing. When I bought this keyboard, it had some tape foam and some polyfill, but I took those out, of course, for when I'm sent. Of course, whoever received, of course it could be improved. I don't care. I'm not too big fan of modifications right now. So yeah, I'm actually gonna do another thing with my key mat. Ba-boom. Yeah, that's it. Nothing, whatever. The keyboard. It's a keyboard. It sounds like a keyboard. It's pretty clacky. I like it. I like how it feels. I like how it sounds, I guess. It's not too bad. I like it more than a lot of other stuff. I think I like it more than my QK boards in terms of sounding nice. Um, at least without foams and stuff like that, which is pretty impressive. But yeah, that's it. Uh, yeah, thank you. Bye bye.